Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to do a Vlookup function in Excel. Vlookup function is useful when you compare two data, and once the data is found, you want to return another set of value. So here goes. Column A, B, and C is your first set of data, and column F is your second set of data. I want to know if data 2 exists in data 1. Okay, the formula is equal Vlookup, open bracket, highlights column F, comma, highlights column A, comma, 1, comma, 0, close bracket, enter. Now, these NAs means that data 2 does not exist in data 1. So I highlighted this cell so you can see. Now, let's see if data 1 exists in data 2, okay? So the formula is equals Vlookup, open bracket, highlights column A, comma, highlights column F, comma, 1, comma, 0, close bracket. Alright, so this NI here is same as this highlight cells here. That means this number doesn't exist in data 2. Okay. Now, once the data is found between these two, you want another set of information returned. In this case, I want to know if group 1 value equal Vlookup, open bracket, highlights column F, comma, highlights column A and B. Now you see the 2C there at the ends of that number. That 2 is very important because it tells you the relative position between group 1 and D1. So group 1 is the second position from data 1. Alright, so this is where you put comma, put a 2 there, comma, 0, bracket, enter. I want to highlight this section. It's very important because suppose group 1 and data 1, the column been switched around, then that means this number 2 would have been a negative number, and in Excel, in Vlookup, this number can only be positive. That means it can be only 1 or greater. So therefore, if this column switched, it would have been a negative 1. So it doesn't work that way, or negative 2, right? So it's important that the data is read from left to right in this way. Right. Next, you want to know the counter value. So the formula is equal Vlookup, highlights column F, comma, A, B, and C highlight column. See the 3C there? That 3C important once again. So comma, 3, comma, 0, close bracket, enter. Alright, this NA once again, that means it couldn't find the number, so therefore it couldn't find a group 1 or counter 1. In real life, data 1 could be a person's name, group 1 could be a person's address, and counter 1 could be a person's telephone number. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, please send me an email and I will reply when I can. Thank you.